WWE Survivor Series 2016, is Roman Reigns the forgotten man of Team Raw? Raw made its final pitch on Monday night to sell fans on the big showdown between Team Raw and Team SmackDown live at Survivor Series. What started as a tense argument between authority figures evolved into lighthearted, entertaining banter between top stars of the two flagships. Chris Jericho, Kevin Owens, Seth Rollins, AJ Styles, Bray Wyatt, Dean Ambrose and even James Ellsworth all had their moments. But, as has been the case in the past, Reigns was kept silent among a group of boisterous loudmouths. Though Reigns made his presence felt in a physical capacity, his emphasis on this team has been muted to some degree. Subplots on Team Raw include the Jericho alliance possibly fracturing and the potential rise of Braun Strowman. Team SmackDown Live could potentially feature an implosion between future opponents Dean Ambrose and AJ Styles, while Randy Orton and Bray Wyatt seem destined to reprise their feud. Weekly scene stealer James Ellsworth will also be at ringside. The only thing going for Reigns in this storyline is an apparent reunion with Seth Rollins, which is sure to crumble once these already unstable teams are dissolved and their Universal Championship hunts resume. If Reigns is indeed the forgotten man at Survivor Series, maybe it's a good thing. WWE has promoted this match as nothing more than an exhibition, with no stakes and a strong chance that infighting compromises this match. With no championships on the line and very little looming on the result of this match, now's a good time for Reigns to fall back before what could very well be a return to the world title picture. There's a strong chance that Reigns becomes a sole survivor, which would certainly set his momentum in the right direction. Given WWE's obsession with the Shield, Reigns, Rollins and Ambrose could be the last three WWE superstars left standing in a 2-on-1 scenario.